CapCut and TikTok just got banned. I hope I don't get tracked down from the Secret Service from telling you guys this, but I found a way to access CapCut. Don't tell nobody. I'm risking my life by telling you guys this, so please subscribe. So now that it's banned, when you open CapCut, it's gonna give you a message that is banned in the US. But I'm gonna show y'all a little trick to bypass that. So you wanna click on the app and just keep pressing new project before the message even pops up. I'm gonna play it again in slow motion so y'all can really see what I'm doing. I'm spamming the blue button on top that says new project before the message even pops up. And just like that, you can access all your videos and photos that you need for your content and edit them on CapCut. I'm very, very nervous on what's gonna happen to this video. So act on this fast, send it to a friend, and lock in. We not letting nobody stop us from chasing our dreams. We locked in all 2025. Let's Mr. Beast, please buy TikTok so we can all use TikTok freely again. Again, please subscribe. A nigga trying to make it out the hood.